Yep, we've got a new donut. A Krispy Kreme holiday donut with white chocolate. And down! 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 Down, puppy, down! Mmm. It tastes good. Huh, Cassandra? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And now get down. Oh. Ah! No. 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 Down, puppy, down. Down, puppy, down. No, puppy, no. Tell me the donating thing you done today. Well, donating is giving to someone that's less fortunate. Uh-huh. Really? Yes, Lily, like Bill's Toy for Tots. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And what else? Oh, see, rescue missing. Mm-hmm. Oh, Christina just gave you a kiss. Lots of love. The one you donated to today? Yes. And 3 days ago? Yes. Oh, isn't she precious? Isn't she precious and adorable? Especially her little highlight. Her little streaks. Her little hairstyles.